How can this code print hello world without any print statement? I found this code in Python, which prints hello world without the use of the string hello world. It's a one-line code, a single expression, i.e. no print statement. As it is a single-line code, here's a well-formatted code which is more readable. It is made up of only functions, attribute access, lists, tuples, basic math, one true, and one star args. It has minimal built-in usage, _import _getter and chr once each. It's really hard for me to understand it. Is there any possible explanation of what it does? Here, by the way, is where the author of the code explains how it works.
The answer to the question is written. The code avoids a print statement by os.writing to Stout's file descriptor, which is 1. The rest of the explanation is detailed at this URL. Instead of a summary here, just read the original.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.